Don't be mad at me. It's okay, Thor. See how he is with her? It's so hilarious. He's looking out the window to see if he can see anything. No, you don't see nothing. Thor, it's okay. Thor, it's okay. It's okay, baby. She's mad. She sees something. Oh, it's a bunch of cars outside backing up. No, they're out there. It's okay. You have to understand, that's not normal for these guys. When you hear them screaming like that, it's not normal in this area to have cars constantly backing up and going here and going there. There's like hardly any traffic on this road. But when the tourists are up, yeah, it's probably all of them going home right now. Yeah. They're used to seeing groundhogs and birds. I know, huh? You tell them. That's why she's yelling, because there's a bunch of cars driving her nuts. Yeah. About the worst of it is the FedEx van. She freaks out about the FedEx van. She does, huh?